If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey everyone, how's it going today? Hope you're all doing great out there. Just wanted to bring you in here to show you in this video today how to profit on the hourly contracts with Nadex binary options. Basically what we are doing here, we entered in on the 113.78 strike for the USD JPY pair on the 2-hour contract, but we're only trading this first hour out of the two. If the candle doesn't end where I anticipate, then we will either cut loss, break even, or exit the position after this first hour is done. So we are about 18 minutes into the trade. That's how long I've been in this position here for. Let's see. Yeah, so we've been in, let's see here. Yeah, since 6:04. It's 6:17 now. I do have my limit order already set at $79 per contract, which will give us a 21% return on our investment. And this is a high probability scenario. As you can see, we had 2 of the previous 1-hour candles close above the center Bollinger Band. We do have an established temporary resistance up here, which is where we will look to take profit once we tap this zone, especially this zone. There is a chance we could see another resistance, temporary pushback like we did earlier. But overall, given our distance between the center Bollinger Band and our strike, we are in a very nice spot to look to take our 20% profit after this hour is over, or any time in between. And like I said, if once the hour is over, if we are not in a profitable position, we will just cut losses wherever we are, or break even if it stays exactly where it is. We'll exit the position and then look to enter another trade on another occasion. But like I said, this is a very high probability scenario. I cover things just like you see in this video in the Informed Traders educational package down below. I also provide a service where if you want to trade with me, you can get in positions just like you see here. Basically, we wait for perfect storm scenarios in the markets just like you see, where the market presents us a really valuable opportunity. And by combining different trading tools like our indicators, support and resistance, trend, and overall market sentiment, we capitalize on these positions 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And basically we just get in these really quality positions and profit. So if that sounds like something you might be into, check out our shadow trading program. Or if you want to learn how to do these trades on your own time over any time frame, definitely check out the Informed Traders educational package down below. But as we continue here, I will bring you back once we get into a profitable position, or if my limit order hits, and then I'll bring you back. So see you soon. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, bringing you back in here, we are entering profit territory here. So our take profit price is actually at 79. So just want to bring you in case we can catch it on camera here, live in action. But as you can see, we are bouncing off the Bollinger Band. We actually did have a test of our strike. But like I said, the utility of having an in the money position is to have that extra insurance, just in case the hour does end near our strike. We can exit with a relatively small loss or the same loss amount that we would have on a win. So in this case, $14 being 20% of our $65 entry price. If we are losing 20% on one trade and then we win 20% on another trade, they cancel each other out. But the benefit of having these high probability trading scenarios like I'm showing you here is that over the long term, you will be profitable. So boom, there we go. Yep. So we just triggered, we hit our limit, guys. Entered at 65, exited at 79, just right there, bounced off. You can always hold these positions longer if you want to. It's all circumstantial based on what your strategy is. But yes, as you can see here, I had my limit order sent immediately after I entered. That's another, pro tip right there, guys. If you already know your profit goals in advance, go ahead and set a limit order, man. Like, these things can happen so quick that you're gonna want to make sure your limit can get triggered. So I sent my limit order within a minute after entering the position, because USD JPY is actually very active at this hour to begin with. On top of that, when you have a high probability scenario, sometimes this thing will take off, just like you see there on the trading view chart here. So we did take our profit at the perfect area of that test region. So there you have it, guys. That's simple. This is how you make money consistently, profiting on the hourly binary options on Nadex. Like I said, this was a 2-hour contract. As you can see here, there's a whole another hour and 17 minutes, but we were able to take a nice 20% profit, and that was just on one contract, guys. If you trade multiple contracts like I typically do in my other example videos of live trading, then that could have easily been a nice $60 to $70 profit, depending on how many contracts you trade. But also know when to scale up and scale down depending on the circumstance. Like I said, I cover all this and more, guys, if you want to check out the Informed Traders Educational Package or the Shadow Trading Program, which we are actually just about to start our session for the night. So I do gotta go, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you around in the next one. Peace. Subscribe and like for more. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.